Want this? Let's see the tutorial. At first, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give a like to this video. So let's get started. Add your video clip to the timeline. Now add this overlay. This overlay is available on my Telegram channel, and you can download it from there. Now set the blend mode to screen. Go to Adjustment section and set the exposure to 15. Now go to Effects section and search ripples. Now set the twist amount 60 and speed amount 30. Our video is ready. And finally, add high quality color correction. If you want this type of color correction, then let me know in the comment box. Then export your video clip at highest setting as possible. Share this video to your editor friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.